Hey everyone, welcome to Gifty's Kitchen Delights. Today's recipe is a soup recipe. It's my chicken tortilla soup. This is definitely a comforting and cozy soup during this winter season, and it's packed with flavor and it's so easy to make and it takes a little effort, and I cannot wait to share with you guys. So let's get started. For the tortilla strips, you're going to need 4 to 8 flour tortillas, salt to taste, and olive oil to drizzle. For the soup, you're gonna need 2 chicken breasts, 1 onion that's diced, 3 garlic cloves that's minced, 1 poblano pepper that's diced, half jalapeno that's de-seeded and diced, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of dried oregano, 15 ounces of beans of your choice. I'm using Great Northern beans, 2 cups of corn, 15 ounces of crushed tomatoes, 15 ounces of fryer roasted diced tomatoes, 32 ounces of chicken stock, 1/4 cup of cilantro that's chopped, the juice of half of a lime, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Start by making the tortilla strips. So place 4 to 8 tortillas on top of each other and cut it in half. Add 1/2 over the other and cut thin strips. And place the strips onto a baking pan. Sprinkle in some salt and drizzle in the olive oil. And bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 17 minutes. Meanwhile, place a pot over medium heat and pour in the olive oil. Add in the onion, garlic, jalapeno, and poblano pepper. Saute till the onions become translucent. Now add in the seasonings and saute for another minute. Now it's time to add in the beans, corn, crushed tomatoes, and diced tomatoes. Give this a quick stir to mix. Then pour in the chicken stock and stir again. Add in the chicken breast and bring this to a boil. Once it reaches boil, cover and simmer on medium to low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. After simmering for 20 to 25 minutes, uncover and give it a quick stir, and then take out the chicken. Shred the chicken by using a fork. Add the shredded chicken back into the soup. Also add in the cilantro and squeeze the juice of half of a lime. Give this a good mix. Cover and simmer for another 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, it's now ready to serve and enjoy. To serve, top the soup with the baked tortilla chips. I like to also add in sliced avocados, jalapeno, and sour cream. This soup is super comforting during the winter season, and it's packed with amazing flavor. If you enjoyed watching this recipe video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!